Apollo Global Management Inc. is an American asset management firm that primarily invests in alternative assets. As of 2022, the company had 548 billion of assets under management, including 392 billion invested in credit, including Magellan Capital, whose fund non-performing loan and collateralized loan obligation, 99 billion invested in private equity, and 46.2 billion invested in real estate, which include real estate and infrastructure. The company invests money on behalf of pension fund, financial endorsement, and sovereign wealth fund, as well as other institutional and individual investors. Company type: public industry asset management, founded 1990, 34 years ago. Founder Leon Black, Josh Harris, Mark Rowan. Headquarters Solo Building, New York City, New York, United States. Key people: Mark Rowan, CEO. Product: private equity fund, credit fund, real estate fund, alternative investment, leverage buyout, growth capital, venture capital. Revenue: 32.64 billion 2023. Operating income: 5.586 billion 2023. Net income: 6.509 billion 2023. AUM: 615.8 billion 2023. Total asset: 313.5 billion 2023. Total equity: 25.23 billion 2023. Apollo was founded in 1990 by Leon Black, Josh Harris, and Mark Rowan, former investment banker at the defunct Drexel Durham Lambert. The company is headquartered in the Solo Building in New York City, with offices across North America, Europe, and Asia. Among the most notable companies in which funds managed by the company have invested are ADT Inc., Career Builder, Cox Media Group, Intrado, Legendary Entertainment, Rack Space Technology, Redbox, Satellite Radio, Adobe Smart, and Final, the Restaurant Group, University of Phoenix, and Yahoo Inc. In addition to its private fund, Apollo operates Apollo Investment Corporation AIC, a U.S. domiciled publicly traded private equity closed-end fund and business development company. AIC provides mezzanine debt, senior secured loan, and equity investment to middle market companies, including public companies, although it historically has not invested in companies controlled by Apollo Private Equity Fund. Apollo, originally referred to as Apollo Advisor, was founded after the collapse of Drexel Durham Lambert in 1990 by Leon Black, the founder head of Drexel Merger and Acquisition Department, along with Josh Harris and Mark Rowan. Tony Riesler, another former senior Drexel executive, was also among the firm's original members. Within 6 months after the collapse of Drexel, Apollo launched Apollo Investment Fund LP, the first of its private equity investment fund formed to make investment in distressed companies. Apollo raised around 400 million of investor commitment based on Leon Black's reputation as a prominent lieutenant of Michael Milken and a key player in the buyout boom of the 1980s. Leon Advisor, or Leon Capital, was founded in 1990 to provide investment services to credit unions and foreign institutions seeking to profit from depressed price in the high-yield market. In 1992, Leon entered into a more formal agreement arrangement to manage the 3 billion high-yield portfolio for credit unions, which together with a consortium of other international investors provide the capital for Leon investment activities. Leon Advisor was replaced by Ares Management. At the time of Apollo funding, little financing was available for new leverage buyout, and Apollo turned instead to a strategy of distressed to control takeover. Apollo possessed distressed securities which could be converted into a controlling interest in the equity of the company through a bankruptcy, reorganization, or other restructuring. Apollo used distressed debt as an entry point, enabling the firm to invest in such firms as Vail Resort, Welter Industries, Cooligan, and Samsonite. Apollo acquisition interest in companies that Relics had helped finance by possessing high-yield bond from failed saving and loan and insurance company. Apollo acquired several large portfolio of assets from the US government. Revolution Trust Corporation, one of Apollo's earliest and most successful deal, involved the acquisition of executive life insurance company bond portfolio. Using this vehicle, Apollo purchased the executive life portfolio, profiting when the value of high-yield bond recorded, but also resulting in a variety of state regulatory issues for Apollo and credit unions over the purchase. In 1993, Apollo Real Estate Advisor was founded in collaboration with William Mack to seek opportunities in the U.S. proprietary market. In April 1993, Apollo Real Estate Investment Fund LP, the first in a family of real estate opportunity fund, was closed with 500 million of investor commitment. In 2000, Apollo existed to the partnership, which continued to operate as Apollo Real Estate Advisor until changing its name to ARE, a proprietary partner, effective January 15, 2009. That firm was then owned and controlled by its remaining principals, including William Mack, Lee Leinbard, William Benjamin, John Jacobson, and Richard Mark. In 1995, Apollo raised its third private equity fund, Apollo Investment Fund 3, with 1.5 billion of investor commitment from investors that include Carl Pars and the General Motor Pension Fund. Fund 3 was only an average performer for private equity fund of its vintage. Among the investment made in Fund 3, in April 2001, Apollo raised Apollo Investment Fund V with 3.7 billion of investor commitment. As of April 8, 2008, the fund had generated a 54% IRR net of fees. Among the investment made in Fund V, invested through 2006 were Affinion Group, AMC Entertainment, Barry Plastic, Clepcom, Compass Mineral, General Nutrition Center, CNC, Goldman Global, and Unity Media. Walther, the founder of Area, had completed a corporate spin-off with the formation of the firm in 1997. They had initially maintained a close relationship with Apollo and operated as the West Coast affiliate of Apollo. In 2002, when Ares raised its first corporate opportunities fund, the firm announced that it would separate from its former parent company. The timing of this separation was so coincided with Apollo legal difficulties with the state of California over its process of executive life insurance company in 1991, the same year. Attorney General of California Bill Lockyer accused Leon and an investor group led by French bank Credit Lyonnais of violation California law by having a foreign government-owned bank acquire the asset and bond portfolio of executive life insurance. In April 2004, Apollo raised $913 million through an initial public offering for a listed business development company, Apollo Investment Corporation. In September 2004, investment fund managed by Apollo and Sterling partner Accurate Connection Academy. It was sold in 2011 for $400 million. In 2005, Apollo formed Hickson, a specialty chemical through the merger of Borden Inch Resolution Performance Product LLC and Resolution Specialty Material LLC, and the acquisition of Blacklight AG. Hexon announced in July 2007 that it was acquiring Huntsman Corporation, a major specialty chemical company, in a $6.5 billion leverage buyout. Hexon announced in June 2008 it would refuse to close the deal, promoting a series of legal action. The transaction was terminated in December after a settlement between Hickson and Huntsman, wherein they were required to pay Huntsman $1 billion to drop fraud charges. Between 2005 and 2007, the private equity market was booming. Among Apollo's most notable investments during this period were Harrah's Entertainment. In 2006, Apollo acquired Rexnord Corporation for $1.825 billion, Berry Plastic for $2.25 billion. In August 2006, Apollo launched a $2 billion vehicle in Europe, AP Alternative Asset. It was a Guernsey domicile publicly traded private equity closed-end limited partnership managed by Apollo Alternative Asset, an affiliate of Apollo Management. Apollo initially attempted to raise $2.5 billion for the public vehicle but fell short when it offered the share in June 2006, raising only $1.5 billion. Apollo raised an additional $500 million by private placement in the week following that sale. AAA was formed to invest alongside Apollo main private equity fund and Hughes Fund. AAA investment portfolio was made up of a mix of private equity and capital market investment. It was liquidated in 2020. In March 2018, Apollo acquired the Mexican-style restaurant chain Qdoba from Jack in the Box. In June 2018, fund managed by Apollo and Vars partner acquired a majority of One Main Financial. Also in June 2018, Apollo acquired healthcare provider LifePoint Health for $5.6 billion. Following the acquisition, LifePoint merged with Apollo RCCS Healthcare Partner. In October 2018, fund managed by Apollo Global Management acquired a portfolio of $1 billion in energy investment from GE Capital Energy Financial Service Unit. In February 2019, AGM was in talk to buy Next Star Media Group for over $1 billion. However, on February 14, 2019, Cox Media Group announced that it was selling its 14 television stations to Apollo. In March 2019, filing with the Federal Communication Commission (FCC), Apollo disclosed that through the newly formed Carrier Media, the Cox station would be acquired for 3.1 billion. In February 2020, investment fund managed by Apollo acquired Cobis from Sarbergrass Capital Management. In April 2020, AZM announced that it would invest 300 million in Simpress and Iris domiciled printing group that won it. In May 2020, Apollo posted 1.75 billion of preferred stock in Albertson Companies. In July 2020, Apollo launched a 12 billion platform to make big loans. The same month, Apollo and the Walt Disney Company sold Endemol Shine Group to the French studio Benizi Group. In September 2020, Apollo entered into a 5.5 billion real estate investment partnership with the Abu Dhabi National Oil Company. In March 2021, Apollo Investment Corporation closed a 110 million mezzanine credit facility between Landing Point and Midcap Financial Trust. In March 2021, Leon Black registered as CEO and chairman after revelation that he paid Jeffrey Epstein 158 million for personal tax related advice between 2012 and 2017. He was replaced as CEO by Mark Rowan. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video for everyone. Thanks for watching this video.